Alright, so imagine this. Conan is in the park, just minding his own business, trying to eat a sandwich.
Oh, sounds peaceful. So, what happens next? Does he finally get to eat his sandwich in peace?
No, just as he is about to take a bite, some guy in a black suit chips past him and swipes the sandwich right out of his hands.
No way! Did Conan just let that happen? I thought he was supposed to be, a genius detective.
He's a genius, alright, but even he didn't see that one coming. So he looks around, totally shocked, and says, Hey, who just stole my lunch?
I can just picture it now. Conan's probably ready to solve a real crime. But nope, his sandwich is the one that's in danger.
He says to Ran, that was in the wind. Someone deliberately took my sandwich. A thief with impeccable timing.
Oh, I bet Rand's like Conan. Are you serious? Right now, it's just a sandwich.
Exactly. And then Kokoro, who's totally oblivious as always, he's just like wind. Nonsense, I need a nap, not a sandwich mystery.
Classic Gogaru, always the voice of reason or not. So, what does Conan do next?
He starts questioning everyone in the park, like an old lady feeding pigeons and a jogger. The old lady tells him she saw a guy in a black suit run past, but she thought he was just in a hurry for a wedding or something.
A wedding. What is he trying to steal a sandwich at a sandwich convention or something?
Exactly. Conan's like sandwich convention. Who has a convention of sandwiches? But he just lets it go and keep investigating.
I would have wanted to know what kind of sandwiches are at a convention. Anyway, what happens when Conan tracks down this sandwich thief?
So Conan spots a guy sitting on a bench, munching on a sandwich, and he marches right up to him and says, Excuse me, sir? I believe you have something of mine.
Oh, that's bold. What does the guy say?
Hmm, what are you talking about, kid?
Oh man, this guy's playing it cool, but Conan's not buying it right.
Not for a second. He points at the sandwich and says, That's the exact same one I had.
No way. So the thief admits it?
Yep. The guy laughs and says, all right, you caught me. I'm the Sandwich Bandit. I steal sandwiches wherever I go.
The sandwich bandit, seriously.
Yep. And get this. The guy explains he's on a mission to save sandwiches from the people who don't appreciate them. He thinks it's a growing problem in the world.
What? So he's a hero for stealing sandwiches? That's incense. Does Conan at least get his sandwich back?
Well, the guy doesn't totally eat, but he takes a bite and says, Hey, I'm hungry. All right. Conan gives him a look like, I can't believe I'm solving a sandwich crime.
I bet Kogoro's confused as usual. What? My lunch was stolen too.
What's going on? Did someone steal my lunch too? Wait, what's all this about sandwiches?
Typical Kogoro. So, how does it end? Does Conan at least get his sandwich back?
Nah, Conan's just like, I'll get a new one later. But seriously, I could go for a snack now.
So he solves the case but does not even get his sandwich. That's the most Conan thing ever.
I know, right? He's like, I'll just solve a bigger case next time and maybe grab a sandwich after.
I guess that's true detective style. Focus on the bigger mysteries and leave the sandwich drama for later.
Exactly, but honestly, if I were Conan, I would be more upset about the sandwich. Hope you like this cartoon and storytelling. Comment which you want to see in the next video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.